Now guys, everything I'm drawing, except for those mountains, those are some impressive mountains, right? Everything I'm drawing is vertical, horizontal, or going to the VP. All the drawings I've done today have followed these rules exactly, okay? Now you can break those rules once you understand them. There's a lot of other things you can do once you understand them, but sticking to the rules helps keeps you from, stepping in it. So I'm gonna make a baseboard back here. I'm gonna draw a blue line right above my floor line back there. So I have a baseboard on the back wall. Follow? But wait, there's more. From these corners, I'm going to draw lines going to my vanishing point to get the baseboards on my right and left wall. There's one. And here's another. That's an example of extending a line around a corner, right? Like I was doing with the window earlier. Let's say, you guys with me? We'll get through this, okay? Let's say you want to put boards on the floor. And you want the boards to be evenly spaced. If you're going to measure the boards, two things could happen. You could make this exactly 16 inches, exactly 18 inches, exactly 20 inches, what do they call those round numbers? And make your boards exactly the same width across. I'm going to do that, and I'll probably have some room left over, the last board will probably be short. So let's make them so you guys can see them nice and big. We're going to go 4 inches. So I'm making these little marks exactly 4 inches across for the sake of being able to see them. And then my last one ends at 2.5 inches. That's fine. When a carpenter's putting your floor in, they just cut that board. That's why for the others. But these are all 4 inches apart. If this floor continued, I'd make another 4-inch hash mark and another one, okay? So, from those hash marks, I bring the line back to the vanishing point, but I stop at the back wall, at the bottom of that baseboard. So you'll see what's happening. This line's lined up with my VP. Now, blue line's going to my VP, but stop there. Very important. Since they're 4 inches apart, now they'll all look the same, don't measure at the back wall. Measure at the bottom of your drawing. Because if you're a 1/16 of an inch off back here, you're a 1/2 inch off by the time you get out here, right? So I continue lining those up. With the hash marks. Don't measure back here. So I measured down here. These were 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. If you measure back here, whatever width it is, if you get one of them 2 inches and another one, let's say 2 1/16 inch, by the time they grow out further, they're going to be, the distortion is going to be even greater. Okay?
When you draw these, are these that are like closer, like the size of the wall, larger than?
Yeah. Well, right here, I was talking about this a little bit earlier, just measuring these cabinets with my fingers, okay? Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same length. No, they're not.